Welcome. In front of me is a NOKIA 2.4 and today I'll show you how to format the SD card. And to get started, let's go into the settings. From here you want to choose storage, select your SD card. Once it loads up, tap on the three dots and then choose storage settings, where you'll find the format option. Now once you tap on it, it will give you a message that basically performing this will remove all the data from the card. So if there's anything that you would like to keep on that card, then you might want to back it up beforehand, otherwise you will lose all the data permanently. So assuming you have already backed it up or you simply don't want to, let's choose the format SD card. We'll begin the formatting and give it a second. It should be done any moment. Right about now. There we go. So now that it's finished, let's click on done and we're completely finished with the process. So that is how you would format a SD card, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.